Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be doing a video on, adding value to a development project you're working on. So in this particular case, we have a very generic set of plans, from our architect. And we decided, there's a lot of things we want to make this house better. We're in the Hamptons market, and there's certain layouts and design features that people really appreciate when they're shopping and buying homes in this market. So let's go take a look at the plans. I'll show you the existing layout that the architect laid out. I'm going to show you how we took it from that very generic basic design to this big massive layout. So let's go check that out. Okay, so now basically, if we look here, we had this big room space. Then we had two giant closets, a little walkway, and a master bathroom ensuite that was off to the side. So we actually removed this concept and put a stairwell here because we needed to get the existing staircase out of the existing home, which was taking up a lot of space in the kitchen. We'll do a video about that and show you that design change. And we knew we had enough room in this entire footprint to fit a bathroom, closets, and everything. We even got a really cool sun deck and overhang, a balcony overhang, so that you can have some indoor-outdoor space when you're in your bathroom. We eliminated this giant deck off of the master bedroom as well because it just didn't aesthetically look great and kind of useless space. So I'm going to take you through a little walkthrough around the project here and show you how this laid out. Okay, so now we're over here, and this is going to be the hallway that leads to the existing house and two other bedrooms and bathrooms over there. But now this is where the master bathroom was going to be. And we really, really need to take the staircase away from there and get it over here. So this is now the staircase up to the second floor. You're going to come in, you're going to enter the bedroom here. So one thing the plan had, and we still kind of kept, were these two very large walk-in closets, which is obviously very key. It's going to be like a his and hers closet situation. You still end up with a very, very large room. And as you can look up here, we did the cathedral ceilings. Gives this room so much volume, it makes it look twice as big as it is. And then we said that, we went this far, we made this really awesome master suite. Let's give them the biggest, baddest bathroom we can fit in this layout. So you can see here, we have an 8-foot by, I think it's like 15, 16-foot long bathroom. We're working on that layout now, so this is always an ongoing project. We don't typically go back to our architect if we don't need to. Because again, this is a development project. It's a flip. Time is money. They got to make decisions, make the changes, add that value. So that's what we're doing here. So we're going to have this really cool layout figured out, but it's going to entail large vanities, a soaking tub, very big shower, toilet room, some closet space, maybe a little steam room, sauna. But we're working on that. So that is what we did here. And then now when you come out here again to the big main room, we said, you know what? This house has a tennis court, and the buyers of this house are probably going to be, really into tennis. So one thing we did was we created a little indoor-outdoor space. So if you come out here, you can see you're walking through what's going to be a big glass sliding door. We're going to have some really nice electric heaters up in the ceiling here. So you can have some seating out this way. And then we added this basically like a platform. So it's like a lip that protrudes out. It's cantilevered in. It's going to give the house a bit of a modern design. So, the aesthetics of the house are modern barn house shape, basically. And this adds to that contemporary look. We're going to have glass railings all around. And then the cool thing is you could be sitting out here on your couch with your heater, if it's this time of year, we're in October, and you'll be able to look out to your beautiful tennis court and watch people play tennis, and still have the covering here. So if you don't want to be in the sun or you want to stay underneath that heat, you're going to have the ability to do so. And then again, like we showed here, two very large closets. So you're going to walk in and you're going to have a ton of space here. And another thing to do, this is a pro tip. If you have the ceiling heights and you have the ability to do it, we cranked up our ceilings to 9 foot high, also doing 8-foot doors. It makes the house look tremendously bigger, and it gives it a really high-end touch that a lot of other houses in the market might not have. That might set you apart from them. So that is how we added value to this project. was by changing the master layout. This is one of many things we did. And again, we did this on the fly, and we will, help you get through that process by explaining some of the ways we do that. But if you like content like this, please hit that like and subscribe button for more. See you soon.